How to change the display language for Asana.com. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also don't forget to write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started right away. So the first thing that we have to do is going firstly to Asana.com. As you can see, after Asana opens for us and the workspace fully loads for you, you are going to go then to the top right profile picture in order to click on it. Here we don't have a profile picture, so as you can see it's written my initials, and you're gonna go to my settings from the menu. When you click my settings, that's the window that opens for you. As you can see, there are many settings sections also: profile, notification, email forwarding, account, display, apps, and hacks. What we need for now is the display settings. When you click on it, you're gonna find some sections: the theme section, the language, first day of the week, and some other options. We need for now the language section, so we're gonna click here in order to get the menu and choose any language that we want. You can choose Spanish, French, any other language that are available here. I'm gonna now choose Deutsch, which is the German language. We're gonna click on save and reload. It's now reloading. Now the page is supposed to be open in German. As you can see, now the display is fully in German. After the profile is fully in German, what are you going to do if you want to reverse it? Simply gonna go to the profile picture, click on it, and click on this option. Go to this section, which is display but in German, and go to Sprache, click on it, and the menu appears for you. Choose English, and this is the button for the save and reload. Clicking on it, now the page is reloaded fully in English. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and don't forget also to write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.